Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best bathroom scale that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Etekcity Digital Body Weight Bathroom Scale. The Etekcity Digital Body Weight Bathroom Scale is an easy-to-use set of weight scales ideal for single or couples who just want something to keep track of their weight and nothing more. They come at a great, reasonable price and guarantee longevity for years of use. With 4 high-precision sensors, they are trustworthy and accurate, and the automatic calibration allows you to use them straight out of the box with no need to set them up. To keep you in the loop, there is also a low battery indicator and a warning should it get a little too close to weight overloading. However, with a maximum resistance up to 400 pounds, you're unlikely to get close to this, unless you're planning on becoming the undisputed heavyweight champion of the world. Even then, we assume you'll struggle to get that heavy. Moving on at number 4, we have the eufy Smart Scale C1 with Bluetooth. Take the hurdles out of individually checking and keeping track of different aspects of your health by stepping onto the eufy Smart Scale C1 BMI, water, subcutaneous fat, body weight, visceral fat, muscle mass, fat-free body weight, bone mass, protein, basal metabolism, body age, and body fat percentage, can all be measured in a single reading. Its compatibility with third-party apps such as Apple Health, Google Fit, and Fitbit ensures you can track your health readings. In terms of accuracy of reading, 2 pairs of G-shaped sensors are attached to the anti-slip step-on. The G-shaped sensors are super sensitive, hence provides higher accuracy of readings. Although this smart scale is not intended for pregnant women and professional athletes, it is a must-have gadget for any health-conscious family. The scale is capable of keeping track of up to 16 different users via one single account, and it is smart enough to assign measurements to the right user profile. What's more, the rounded glass top plate and the curved edge of the scale make it safe for kids and adults alike, and the eufy Smart Scale C1 works with a eufy Life app that makes it easy to use. To use the scale and enjoy its full functionality, first, download the eufy Life app on your mobile device. Open it, synchronize with the smart scale via Bluetooth, then step on to track 12 essential body measurements. The hassle-free conversion feature that enables easy and quick conversion from kilogram to pounds is another feature that adds to its user-friendliness and convenience. At number 3, we have the Renpho Bluetooth Smart Digital Bathroom Scale. The Renpho Bluetooth Smart Digital Bathroom Scale is our number 1 choice of bathroom scales available today. More than the bathroom scales you remember from your youth, it boasts a variety of cool features that make it an excellent choice for the home. With it, you can transform your fitness tracking using the Renpho app, among others, to ensure consistent results and easy progress viewing you expect from the modern world. It tracks 13 metrics, which sounds like a lot of hassle, but it's easy to set up straight out of the box and demands only your activated Bluetooth to sync and connect to get you started. The fast readout is always a bonus, even if you're not always happy with the results, and the clear LCD screen is useful for nighttime reading after staggering home from the bar after an all-you-can-eat buffet, because we all get a little masochistic sometimes. At number 2, we have the INEVIFIT Digital Bathroom Scale. The INEVIFIT Digital Bathroom Scale is a fantastic body scale option for families looking to get in shape and lose weight together. While it can't connect to fitness apps, it's still useful, and the lack of synchronization also makes it much easier to use than more advanced options. The sleek design means it fits perfectly in the modern home, but don't let this style fool you. It's still a heavy-duty product capable of withstanding weight up to 400 pounds. It's also clear and easy to read in a variety of conditions, and you don't have to bend down to switch it off, either. Unlike other scales, it's inclusive for both loyalists of both metric and imperial measurements, giving you options to read your weight in both pounds and kilograms. And finally, at number 1, we have the Innotech Digital Bathroom Scale. The Innotech digital bathroom scale is a great pick at a medium price for those who need reliability in their scales. The screen is 3.6 wide, which is the perfect size for easy reading in all environments, while the 6mm tempered glass is durable while staying compact. It has a maximum weight resistance of up to 400 pounds, which is par for the course by now, while the automatic calibration is straightforward. Fitted to the base are secure gripping feet to prevent slipping and sliding, ensuring safety, especially on wet bathroom tiles. It delivers a fast readout and also turns itself off automatically to ensure it doesn't waste battery life when not in use. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.